Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new here, hello. I do videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of lifestyle that is. Today's video is a lifestyle vlog. If you are not new, hey y'all, how y'all doing? What's going on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. You've clicked on this video, so something intrigued you to click on this video. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, follow me on Instagram at LaDonna J. For today's video, we are doing a maintenance vlog. I am all about self-care, maintaining yourself, upkeeping yourself, showing yourself some love. So that's what today's video is going to be. Thank you to Nail Addict for sponsoring today's video. They sent us a lot of goodies. So Nail Addict did send us some goodies, some really good goodies. I do have a coupon code. It is LaDonna J. I'll link everything down below. I'll link their website. I'll put my coupon code, all that down below for you guys, because I do believe you all are going to love the stuff we have, because I personally love it. But they sent me their Nail Addict mini UV LED lamp. So cute, so stinking cute. I am a sucker for things miniature, and this thing is so cute. Like, so compact, very portable. And then they also sent me an array of colors, beautiful spring colors. So I'm gonna show you guys these colors. First thing first, they sent me a top coat, which is just a simple top coat. And then they sent me a peel off base, which is what I did use. So I used the peel off base and it worked like a dream. Like, the nails just popped off, honestly. And then they sent me a white. This is called White Addict. So pigmented, you guys, like so pigmented, even with one stroke. And I'm gonna show you guys the colors of how pigmented they are. They sent me this beautiful like purple color. This is in the color Best of Summer. So pretty for the summer. But wait. They sent me a yellow. So this yellow is called Just a Flirt. I included this in the video. Very pigmented, screams summer. My arm is tired. It screams summer, of course. And then my favorite. And the crazy thing is, you guys, I have Nail Addict polishes, but I never put two and two together. So when they reached out to me, I was just like, yeah, you know, I love doing my nails. It's like a thing that I do. But when I was looking through my stuff, I was like, I've bought from them before. And it's this color. This is the perfect black girl nude. Kid you guys not. This is in the color Sea, Swing, and Sun. Y'all, this is the perfect to the T black girl nude. It's perfect for a French tip. I'm telling you guys, you will see in the video when I incorporate it. Y'all, go get that. If you don't get no color, get that nude color in the top coat. Chef's kiss. You all are gonna love it. And they also sent me a matte top coat. It's the matte top coat. So they sent me this as well. So they sent me like literally a whole box. And then the lamp. So I'm gonna show you guys what me and my sister created. I hope you enjoy. Thank you to Nail Addict for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into these nails. So starting off with the peel off base coat. Peel off base coat, top coat. My sister's just going to polish this onto my nails. This is going to give you a semi-permanent hold. I wasn't going to keep these nails. I only put nails on the weekend, honestly. I don't wear them to work. So that's why we're using the peel off base coat. I'm telling you guys, these nails popped off with no hesitation or anything like that. You're going to want to cure them for 60 seconds with the light they give you. Y'all, I'm about to show you the perfect nude. I am telling you guys, I promise you will not be disappointed in this color. Sea, swing, and sun. Do you see this? Perfection, okay? Perfection. This is like the perfect nude. It is a perfect black girl nude, but it is a perfect nude for anybody. Do you see that? That is 2 coats. 2 coats. And imagine that with a French tip or even by itself. Look how perfect that is. You're going to want to cure it for 60 seconds. Now we're going to do a design. You can see we already did the French tip. My sister used that, the nail, the white Addict, to do the French tip. Super opaque, very, very white. Right now, she's going to draw some flowers for the spring. You know, I just wanted something simple, nothing too crazy. So she's just making me some hand-drawn flowers, and she's going to put a yellow dot in the middle of the flower, which these are gel polishes, so you are going to have to cure them for 60 seconds. The top coat. This top coat is so perfect. It's very, very shiny, very, very glossy. It doesn't leave your nails dull at all. It leaves them with a perfect shine, and you guys will see how shiny they are. These are vegan based, cruelty free gel polishes. You guys definitely go check out Nail Addict, aka No Reserve. They are rebranding, so that will be their new name. I will link it down below. I promise you guys will not be disappointed in these gel polishes. Make sure to use my coupon code LaDonnaJ for 50% off. You do have to purchase 2 gel polishes in order to use the coupon code and get 50% off. So thank you so much to Nail Addict, aka No Reserve, for sponsoring this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. So let's go ahead and finish out this self-maintenance vlog or whatever. Good morning. I'm getting ready for work, but I have a ortho appointment to go to for my braces. And I have to go before I go to work. So I'm getting ready for that. And I'm gonna take you guys with me on these little appointments that I have. Boop, boop, boop. But let me finish getting dressed because let me finish getting dressed because I'm not trying to run late. My appointment's at, what time is my appointment at? My appointment is at, girl, 9 o'clock. But I got to be back to work at 10:30 because I go to 2 different offices. But on my Apple Watch, oh, it's 8:22. Not supposed to wear perfume because it may be like sensitive to some people, but I'm wearing Paris Hilton. Y'all ready?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I need to go. You need to take me to my appointment and then take me to work.
Okay, so I need to change.
You don't gotta get out of the car. I just have to go to Camden to fix my bracket because it moved and now the spring is pinching me, and then take me to work.
Yeah, okay, let's go, Leon.
If you want to change, you can. Y'all, I don't have a car at the moment. Long story. I probably should do a story time with that shit. I am. But long story short, someone stole my car from work. Motherfuckers.
When a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say the suck to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me. I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Tell me honest, girl, what you want from me. This ain't nothing, you keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me.
So once I get out of the shower and I do all my body care, now I gotta do my skincare. This is not like an in-depth skincare video. I'm still learning and knowing what works for my skin. I just got into having a skincare routine because normally I would use Dove bar soap and water, and that would be my skincare. That's how I washed my face. But as I gotten older, you know, I started to get dark marks. I started to get a little bit more acne. So I had to do some trial and error, test some things. So as of right now, this is what I have, and this is what's working for me and my skin. I do have oily skin, like very oily skin. I have large pores. I have dark marks from acne I've had. So I'm in the process of trying to clear that up. So yeah, this is my little skincare routine, how I like pamper myself at night, how I keep up my skin, or at least try to. But the first thing that I do, obviously you want to wash your face, and I'm just going to go in with the CeraVe foaming face cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin. So I'm going to go in with this. I wet my face first. So I just wet it and then I pat my face. I wet my hands, foam it up. It is foaming, so you're gonna foam it up, and my face is wet, so I'm just gonna go in and rub it all over my face. And I just massage this into my skin. Rinse it off. So when I rinse off my face, I like to use paper towels. I don't like to use washcloths because they hold bacteria, the fragrance from, you know, your laundry detergent, the chemicals and stuff. I just like to use paper towels personally. I feel like it reduces my acne flare-ups. And once you have cleansed your face, now I like to go in and tone my skin. And I've been using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. It was with rose fruit extract. I use this, and I just go in with a little cotton round, and I just put a couple drops on it, and let's go in and tone my face. Let's go all over. Once I'm done with toning my face, I like to go in with some type of a eye something, because I do have bags and I do have dark circles. I'm going in with the Ordinary Caffeine Solution, and this reduces the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and puffiness. And I just squeeze some in the tube, and I just take 1, 2. All you need is 2 drops. You rub it in, and then you just put it on your eyes. All around your eyes. Don't forget your eyelids. And I just rub it and pat. And then I go in with, I have 2 more products or 3 more products. So to fade My dark marks, I just found this product. I found it on Pinterest actually. A lot of people have been saying that it's been good for dark marks. There's also another one I wanted to try. It's Tropicals Faded Serum. I want to try that. I can go to Sephora and get that. But in the meantime, between time, I'm using the Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot Fade Cream. I'm using this as of right now. I have been noticing a little bit of a difference. I've only been using it for a week, and you only need a little bit of this. Like, it's really, really thick. They say you can wear it under your makeup. I don't. I just do it at nighttime. And this is for oily skin specifically. So I'm going to go in with this, and I just, like, it's super thick. Like, super thick. See? So you just need a little bit of this, just a little bit of this, and I just take it, rub it, and I just put it. It doesn't really have a fragrance. It just smells natural in a sense. So I just go in. It says to just target it on your dark marks, but I mean, baby, all my face got dark marks. My forehead used to be like really, really bad, like really bad with dark spots. Like, it was horrible. And if I can find a picture, I'll insert it. But my forehead used to be bad, like bad, like worse. Like, it used, like, literally, it looked like I kind of had freckles. But yeah, Dove soap and water helped that, and then me just growing up. So I just pat that in, so you can see, like, I have dark marks in these areas. I'm, like I said, I'm trying to get those under control. I mean, they don't affect me, or like, I don't really care that I have them. I mean, who doesn't want clear skin? But I mean, they don't bother me. Like, I go to work with no makeup on. I go outside with no makeup on. So it's not like a huge issue that I have. But, you know, just trying to perfect it as I get older or whatever. Last step, I'm going to go in with Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil for the face. I also found this on Pinterest. This is the serum that I use. I like it. I feel like the combination of these two Palmer's products work really well with fading my dark marks, especially this one. This one used to be really, really dark. If you go look back at some of my videos, you'll see that this mark was really, really pigmented. Like, it was really dark. And it has, over time, started to fade. So I'm just going to drop a couple drops in my hand. Not too much, just a little bit. And then I just rub it into my hand, and I press it into my skin. Just press it and bring it to your neck as well. Don't forget about your neck, ladies. You want to bring it down to the neck. And then I just rub the excess or the extra all over my hand. Don't forget about your hands, because those age quick, faster than your face actually. So I just, you know, rub the rest on my hand, and that is it for the face. That's all that I pretty much do for my skincare as of right now. It works for me. I'm going to put some eye patches under my eye, make me some tea, turn on my favorite movie, light me a candle, and that is going to be the end of this self-care appointment type video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, anything like that, comment them down below and I'll make sure to answer them. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.